In this lesson, we are going to explore a few different ways you can edit an existing SolidWorks part. But first, if you want to work along with me, go into your Working Files folder and open the part file named Block. Before we edit any existing sketches or existing features, let's take the rollback bar and roll it back to the very beginning of the Feature Manager design tree, just to see how the model was constructed. It appears we have a simple rectangular block, and as we take the rollback bar and roll it down the Feature Manager design tree, you will see the part slowly evolves into the finished part. Now, after the part is created, let's assume we want to change the angle of this bottom cutout, which is currently at 20 degrees, to 25 degrees. While there's some different options for this, the easiest method will be to edit this existing sketch. So I'm going to go to the Feature Manager design tree, and moving my cursor down the tree, notice when I'm above Cut Extrude 1, that feature highlights. So I am going to expand that feature, select Sketch 2, and then Edit Sketch. I can go back out to the graphics area, double click on 20 degrees, and change it to 25. I'll close out of the sketch, and editing an existing sketch is as easy as that. Now let's take a look at how to edit an existing feature. In fact, let's edit the depth of this cutout. So I'm going to go back to the Feature Manager design tree. Moving down the Feature Manager design tree, I'll locate the feature, edit the feature, and notice my depth is set to 9. I'm going to change it to 10. Now that may not seem very efficient to go back and forth between the Feature Manager design tree and the graphics area. SolidWorks does allow you to select the feature on the screen. Now notice the different color dimensions. We have black dimensions and blue dimensions. Black dimensions represent sketch dimensions, and blue dimensions represent feature dimensions. You can change either of these on the screen. You can change sketch dimensions or feature dimensions. So if I double click the 10, I can change it to 12. Or if I want to change the sketch, notice I can change it on the screen. Now, not everything is going to be able to be changed in the graphics area. For example, on this feature here, if we take a look at this feature and edit the feature, the length of that pin was based on up to surface, which is this face here. So in order to change the length of this pin, we would be required to go back to the Property Manager. So that gives you a few ways to edit existing parts.